COVID-19 good or bad? Well, that depends on who you ask. We have done some amazing things around COVID-19. One of the most amazing promotions to come out of this company is the back to school promotion. We have run this promotion altogether 3 times and have shipped over 250 laptops, 400 tablets, and a bunch of smartphones to the island for free. And I want you to know that this promotion is coming back again this year from July 1st to September 30th. During those dates, we're going to be shipping laptops, tablets, and smartphones for free. Yes, as soon as you send these items to us to forward to Jamaica, we will issue you a coupon that will remove the shipping charge so you will get the items shipped for free. You know our company supports kids. We love kids and we believe that the children are our future. Gear up because this promotion is coming back soon, starting July 1st.